Millions of people the world over were ecstatic to see the Berlin Wall come down back in 1989, amongst them being South Korean artist Eun Suk Lee, who says she was thrilled for the German people, but that now it is her country's turn. To bring attention to the plight of the Korean people who have loved ones trapped both sides of the North-South Korean border, Lee has constructed a 22-metre-long fluorescent wall that is situated on the spot where East and West Germany were once so divided. It is Lee's country that now has the world's most fortified border, and the message within her art is simple. She longs for the day that her nation will be united. Until that incredible day takes place, her hope is that not only will people enjoy her art, but that it also inspires some positive political attention.